Hey folks, today is August the 5th. It's currently about 8:51 in the morning. Right now we're in the right line trading trade room. Been super busy this week, so I haven't had an opportunity to really jump in here and focus on this, but it is Friday. I'm going to hopefully be able to get at least this one video out to you guys. And I have my CL chart set up here, so I'll be watching that. I'm not going to be trading the E-mini, but we'll see what's going on in the room right now.
Welcome to the webinar. You have entered as an attendee.
I believe they're going to look at taking a long trade on the ES.
With no entry on crude, the multi-candle move down. We have a lot of markets moving like crazy right now.
Tell you what, folks, so I can keep this under 20 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and pause it, and I'll come back once we get entered into a trade or once they take a trade on the ES. All right, folks, we just entered a short trade here. Well, they did. I'm waiting to get filled at 41.60. We'll see what happens.
Order filled.
All right. We're now in the trade here. Took a few ticks of slippage on that. Hopefully the market will come down and hit our take profit at 41.52 here.
There's our first target.
As you guys can see in the room, they already got theirs. They didn't take slippage. All right, we just got our first target hit.
There's our second target.
Target filled.
We're out. Full winner. $400. We're minus 80 on the chart. Just made
Target
$400.
All right, guys. We took a few ticks of slippage. That's why things didn't quite line up there. But that was a really nice trade. I'm going to go ahead and pause it. I'll come back on the next trade. All right, folks. We just got entered into a CL trade here.
It's gonna get loud.
Okay.
Is that like free software or?
All right, folks. I'm going to go ahead and pause it here, and I'll come back once we get close to one of our orders getting hit. All right, guys. Just got our stop hit. I'll be back on the next opportunity. All right, guys. We just got filled into a short trade on crude. All right, let me go ahead and pause it, and I'll come back once we get close to one of our orders getting hit.
Stop filled.
All right, guys, stop just got hit. You can see they're down about 660, so let's see if they can get back into the green here. I'll pause it and come back on the next trade. We have until, typically they go until about 11:30, so we got plenty of time to keep going here. Be back momentarily. All right, guys, I had to step away for a few minutes here. But as you can see, they did just enter a trade on crude. They got filled here at 41.16. Placed an order here for me just in case he comes back down to it. But actually, they have their stop right there, break even now. So we'll go ahead and close that out
Order canceled.
and just watch what happens on theirs. There it is.
Target's out.
Got their second target hit there.
We're going to close the trade. Look. Hold on, hold on. Close. We're out.
All right, guys. The reason I've been in and out is because I said in the previous video I did have a break-in, and I've just been trying to make sure that everything is secure. The alarm people just left. What happened was, a lot of you guys know that I work in a group home working with handicapped and autistic kids. I work generally odd hours, but it looks as though somebody's kind of figured out when I'm home and when I'm not home. So came home, saw the back door was open. I went over to investigate it, and it looks like somebody had kicked the back door in, most likely used a crowbar, I'm assuming, to help get in. I'm not sure what they did, but back door was open. The frame around the door was messed up. Police showed
No
up,
continuation short on crude.
filled out the report and everything, recommended that I go ahead and upgrade my security system and get it actually monitored. So that's what I did. And they also came out and put in some new hardware and stuff. So I've been dealing with that, and also with other people that have come out to do some work for me to try to make sure that something like this doesn't happen again, or secure against it at least. So that's kind of what I've been up to this week here. That's why my videos have been either shorter or not as good as typical, but hopefully next week we'll get back to normal. At least today in the right line trade room, I was able to catch one trade.
Take the down close.
So now that everybody's
And I'll
gone,
close on crude.
hopefully we'll be able to catch another nice winning trade here. And hopefully they'll be able to close out the week with a nice size winner. All right, just wanted you guys to know what's been going on. Anyway, I'm going to pause it, and I'll come back once something of interest happens.
Order filled.
All right, guys, just got filled on a buy trade on crude here. You can see it's about 11:15 now. So hopefully we'll get something so that we can end the week on a profitable note here.
First target.
Filled.
No.
Target
Second
filled.
target. Keep going. Break the top. Come on. There we go. Keep going. We're just going to let this trade go. All right, took us out.
Stop filled.
All right, so that was a really nice trade. They're only down $100 right now. And I believe one of those trades was from their automated system. So I'm not sure which one that is. Hopefully he'll talk about that at the end of the trading day. All right, guys, I'll be back with you on the next trade. We'll see what happens. All right, guys, we just got entered into a short trade on the CL here. Let's see if we can end the week in profit. And they were actually only down $20. That $100 included the $80 loss they took on the algorithmic system, which is their automated system. So the trade room itself is only down 20. So we'll see if we can bump that up to hopefully a nice profit here.
We're closing on an up close. All right, check this out.
He must have been using a tighter stop than I'm using here. Mine is at 37. His must have been right around 33. I'll continue letting this run here. All right, we're about 2 ticks away from getting stopped out here. It would have been nice if we could have caught a nice simple winner here to put us in profit to end out the week, but market doesn't always give us what we want. So we'll continue watching it and see what happens. 1 tick away from getting stopped.
Stop filled.
And there it is. All right, so overall right now, it looks like the room is down 340. I'm going to see if he decides to end the room. Or I should say in today's room here. I'll be back with you guys momentarily. All right, guys, we just got filled. Let's see if we get a nice push down here. Hopefully we do. All right, so our stop is at the same space, 41.45. First profit target is 41.30, same spot. So let's see what happens here.
Stop filled.
All right, took us out there, guys. And we're already pushing close to 12 o'clock when things are really going to start to slow down. It's not the way I wanted to end the week here. But like I said, we can make the market give us what we need. So we'll continue watching, see what he decides to do here, if he decides to call it a day or if he wants to continue pushing here. Either way, I'll report it to you guys and hopefully get it uploaded before the end of the day. All right, guys, looks like we're continuing the trade. We're filled now in a short at 41.47. Let's see what happens here. This time, at least, we have some, hopefully, resistance right above us, but it looks like our stop is right here. What do they have? 41.58. Let me push this up one. Hopefully this resistance above us will give us a nice push back down should the market get back up to this level. All right, guys, I'm going to pause it and come back once one of our orders is about to get hit. All right, guys, they also just got filled on a E-mini trade. So we'll watch that as well.
Stop filled.
All right, guys, stop just got hit. Still, they have the E-mini trade open here, so we'll see what happens with that one.
I'm still in the E-mini trade. This is our last trade. We traded back to break even. Should have stopped on the first. Traded back to break even. Should have stopped. We never should have been in this whole thing in the first place. $14, $12. So we have no reversal now on crude.
All right, guys, the market's moving pretty slow here. Let me go ahead and pause it, and I'll come back once one of the orders gets hit. All right, guys, we're filled in a short trade here. Looking forward to break to the downside. Let's watch it and see what happens here. Still in that ES trade. It's just bouncing around break even. Around this time, things tend to start really slowing up. So hopefully we'll be able to get a push. All right, let me go ahead and pause it, and I'll come back once we get close to hitting one of our orders. All right, guys, we're looking at one tick away from hitting our stop here. Let's see how the ES trade is doing. All right, on that ES trade, there's a level of resistance right above us, but I'm not sure if it's going to be enough to stop us from getting taken out. We'll see. All right, ES just got taken out. Let's see if we can get crude to pull back down to the break-even level. Definitely a tough day for the system. All right, guys, we're getting close to 30 minutes here. I try to keep these videos under that mark. I'd like to keep them under 20 minutes, but that doesn't seem to ever happen. So let me go ahead and pause it, and I'll actually getting pretty close here. There it is.
Stop failed. I'm going to go over just the beginning. We should have stopped. On a Friday, you get a first trade, $400.
All right, guys, as you saw initially, we did have a really nice winning trade in the beginning, but as the day went on, we got a string of losers that kind of put them in the red here. And this is trading, so we're definitely always going to have bad days. And it's just too bad we had to end the week with this is our, well, I guess I should say loss, not profit. This is our loss here. So that's going to be it. And again, today is August the 5th. So hopefully next week I'll be able to get a few more videos. I know you guys are interested in this. Some of you guys are interested in futures. So I'll definitely try to get some